Latest chika actor, ibinuking ni si Donnie habang nasa bakasyon. Kwento niya, si Donnie Pangilinan ay na-interview ng isang magandang babae, pero loyal siya talaga kay Belle. Talagang dinerekta niya yung babae. Saad kasi ng interviewer, if you rate me a scale of 1 to 10, sagot ni Donnie, I have a girlfriend. But you can still rate hirit ng babae. Sagot ni Donnie na talagang nanindigan siya, pinagdiinan niya, I absolutely can't because my GF, my girlfriend is amazing. I respect my love. She treats me so well. So I'm just gonna act you doesn't exist. Belle is the only girl exists in my world. Diba? Boom, talagang mahal talaga niya si Belle.